Okay, so we completed the step of laying out our phone. We tested all of our pieces. We laid them out and made sure our phone fit here. Okay, so we had our inside here. So the top piece was butting between the inside and the side piece. Then our other side. Then our top. Then our inside. Our phone bottom. And then our bottom piece. So you want to make sure that the length of this is the same length as the back pieces that you glued together here. If not, you're going to cut this piece short or these two pieces short, because these are what pushes the two pieces on its end out and make them longer. So this is pushing these two pieces out. So if this is too far of a distance, then you cut this one shorter. Okay, so now what we're going to do is glue all of these. And when you're gluing, first of all, always make sure that your glue bottle is closed when you're done with it, or it will dry out the glue. So you're going to open up your glue lid, and then we're just going to put, I don't like to go all the way to the end, just a little bit of glue down the middle. Just going to lightly put it there. You don't need a lot of glue, guys. You shouldn't have to be wiping up a bunch of glue. Right down the middle, and that's going to spread out as you go. Right down the middle here. Right down the middle. Okay. Make sure all those have glue. Now what I'm going to do is take my tape, get pieces that are about this long, and I'm just going to line these up perfectly. I'm going to start with the outside, or the side piece, and make sure it's flush on the top and flush on the outside. Once I get where I want, I'm going to press down, put my tape down, and there we go. Now I'm going to butt this piece, the bottom piece, right there. And what I'm going to do is actually glue this across. Now I'm going to move this out right there. Okay. And because this is a longer piece, I'm going to put one here, making sure it's flush right there, all the way across the bottom. The better you line these up, the less sanding you're going to have to do. Okay, so really get these dialed in there so that you can sand less on your pieces. So now I'm going to get some other tape here. And this is why we have those pencil marks, our square marks there. Make sure this is tight here. Write down my square mark. There it is. This piece goes to the inside there. Now I'm going to do my other side, and this side, again right to the bottom, flush there.
Can you come in yet, or?
Yeah, you can come in. Flush there. Now I'm going to get my top piece. You'll notice this glue is already starting to set. So glue only has about 15 minutes, what's called open time, before it starts to stick and you can't move your pieces. So I'm going to sandwich that together. And then my last one. Get my tape here. I'm going to line this up. Make sure it's lined on the top and right on my lines. Tape that down, and now you're set. You're just going to let that glue or dry for at least 15 minutes, and you're good with this gluing, and we're going to start on your design.